Dazhai in Longsheng County, Guangxi, is about 4.5 hours of bus ride from Guilin. It is populated by the Red Yao minority. Its perfectly contoured rice terraces are world famous. Due to its short growing season, Dazhai has only one rice crop a year. Rice seedlings are transplanted in early June after the soil has been prepared and the fields are flooded. 120 days later, in early October, the golden rice crop is ready for harvest. Because flat land is scarce, the rice stalks are left to dry on the embankments. When they are dry enough, the rice stalks are threshed on a portable threshing bin right in the fields. The bin is light enough to be carried to the field by one person. It has a curved bottom for easy dragging along the semi-wet field for a one-person operation, or it can be carried along by two persons. When the bin is half full, the grains are loaded into a sack woven with synthetic materials. Each sack can hold about 50 pounds of grain. Sacks have replaced bamboo baskets because grain can easily spill from the baskets. Nothing goes to waste. The rice straws are bundled up and left in the fields for later use as feeds for cattle and horses. Although most Dazhai farm tools are traditional, the cell phone is anything but. The Red Yao minority in Dazhai could have used heavier mechanized threshers that are popular with the nearby Dong minority. But the threshing bins are much cheaper and more adapted to the narrow terraces in Dazhai. Dazhai farmers also do not have flat space such as these sidewalks to sun-dry their grains after they have been threshed. It is likely that Dazhai farmers have winnowing machines like this to separate the grains from the chaffs. The grains come out from the front, the chaffs from the back and the side. Some Dazhai farmers have milling machines like this one. In a commercial miller, this is how it works. The grains go in from the top. The milled rice comes out from here. The whole milled rice goes into this basket. The broken rice goes to the small bowl. The ground husk is for the pigs. Dazhai farmers also grow chili peppers, corn, and other minor crops. But rice is king.